Annyeonghaseyo! Welcome to Korea! Let's go! First stop is Myeongdong. Dahil dito kami naka-check-in, we decided na kumain muna sa malapit na convenience store. Hi everyone! First day namin today dito sa Korea. We're here at Myeongdong. Dito kami naka-check-in sa Sky Park Hotel. So, around 6 p.m. na. Ay, around 5 p.m. pa lang pala. And nag-start na maglagay ng mga food dito sa gilid. And siguro before we go sa Seoul Tower, mag-enjoy muna kami ng mga street food here. And ipapakita ko sa inyo mga street food here. Here we ordered grilled cheese and grilled brown skewer. Sobrang masarap siya. Hindi nakakaumay yung cheese. And yung kanilang prawns naman or hipon is sobrang malasa din. My husband really liked the taste of the prawns. Join me for a walk through the vibrant street of Myeongdong in Seoul, packed with street food, shopping, and non-stop city energy. Tried these stir-fried noodles sa street ng Myeongdong. We like the taste. Pero for me, parang medyo kulang lang siya ng konting sweetness and saltiness. Overall, masarap pa rin siya.
My favorite, this is my favorite tteokbokki. So, busog na si Daddy. Ayaw na niya akong tulungan sa sobrang dami naming nakain dito sa Myeongdong. Sarap ng mga street food nila. Pero hinahanap mo pa rin minsan yung parang Filipino taste na medyo matamis siya. Pero kaya parang feeling mo dun sa mga food nila parang matabang. Dahil yun yung ano nila, yun yung taste bud siguro nila. So sa atin, dahil mahilig tayo sa matamis, kasi hinahanap ko yung matamis. Pero so far good naman, masasarap yung food nila dito sa Myeongdong. So ito ngayon, paakyat kami ng Seoul Tower. So, paakyat to. Pero hindi na masyadong nakakapagod. kasi malamig naman. So, let's go! Dito is 7:49 p.m. na, pero as you can see, maliwanag pa din. 7:49 p.m. na yan na. Grabe, mag-8 p.m. na, ganito pa rin kaliwanag ang Seoul.
This is the elevator going up to the cable car. Para makasakay ng cable car moving to Seoul Tower. Medyo naging mahaba yung pila namin going to the cable car. So ito yung cable car going to Seoul Tower. Malaking cable car siya. You will see city lights ng Seoul, and I love the view going up.
So, ayan, nandito tayo sa Seoul Tower. Ito yung sikat na may mga padlock. Kayo ng mga partners nyo na may pair. Yan, dito. Sa Seoul Tower. Welcome to Seoul Tower!
So now, we're leaving Seoul Tower para bumalik na sa Myeongdong and mag-dinner na. And of course, hinahabol din namin yung Myeongdong na makita pa namin siya at night and how it looks to enjoy yung street nila doon. We're back to Myeongdong. This is Myeongdong at night around 10 p.m. na to. Actually, lampas 10 p.m. na. Some of the restaurants are closed na, pero marami pa rin namang food shops and other shops for skincare and whatever shops na open pa rin. Medyo mahirap nga lang maghanap ng restaurant na open pa dahil lagpas 10 p.m. na. That's all for today. This is our first day in Seoul, South Korea. See you tomorrow for other travel tips in Seoul, South Korea. Kamsahamnida!